Cleaning and organizing is a practice, not a project. This beautiful quote written by Megan Francis actually motivates me to clean and organize the spaces which can lead to better lifestyle and habits. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Aesthetics by Sauj, and this is Saujanya Kulkarni's kitchen series that you're watching. Hi everyone, this is Saujanya Kulkarni again back with a new topic in today's video. Before we start our video, in the previous video we have seen tips on designing upper cabinets in kitchen. If you have not watched that video, please click the link below in the description box. Why late? Let's get started. Kitchen is the most important place in the home. As we all know, it is also called as heart of the home because the daily nourishment that is required for our family is being prepared here in the kitchen. Along with the beautiful design of the kitchen, it is also important to maintain the kitchen time to time properly so that the space welcomes you and it also motivates you to make different recipes and fill the space with the aroma in such a manner that your family members will peep into the kitchen to know what special dish are you cooking for them. This is possible if we follow cleaning routines in kitchen as a practice. So, today's video is all about how to have a neat and clean kitchen with very less efforts by following my tips. Let's start with tip number 1. Let's see what areas are to be cleaned in kitchen on daily basis. Under this category, the first one is sweeping the floor, second, mopping the floor, third, cleaning the kitchen platform, fourth, cleaning the stove, fifth, cleaning the tiles, sixth, cleaning the taps, seventh, cleaning the sink, and eighth, the last one, that is, cleaning the fingerprints on the shutters of the upper cabinets. Now, let's see the first one, that is sweeping the floor. I usually sweep the kitchen floor 3 times a day. Once in the morning before we start cooking, then again in the afternoon once I clean the kitchen platform and stove after lunch preparation, and lastly at night once I am done with dinner preparation and kitchen cleaning. Let's see the second one, that is mopping the floor. I usually mop the floor once in the morning before the kitchen work starts. If I observe any marks or if the floor is dirty, then I may mop once again. Otherwise, I always do it once in a day. Now, let's see the third one, that is cleaning the kitchen platform. This also I will do it thrice a day. Once in the morning before the kitchen work starts, I will give a clean wipe on the kitchen platform so that whatever dust that is accumulated overnight will be removed. Then again in the afternoon I will clean once the lunch preparation is done, and finally at night once the dinner preparation is done. Now let's see the fourth one, that is cleaning of the stove. This also usually I will do it 2 times a day. The thorough cleaning I will do once the lunch preparation is done in the afternoon, and at night I will just give it a wipe. Now let's see the fifth one, that is cleaning the tiles. I usually don't deep clean the tiles on the daily basis because I do it once in 15 days. So here whenever I observe the splashes of the food items on the tiles, that too the portion that is immediately near to the stove, in that area I clean it with the Scotch Brite and then wipe it with the wet wipe. So this I will do it twice in a day, once after the lunch preparation Oh my god, this cleaning video is taking lot of time. I think I need to break this video as I still have 2 more category of tips which I need to share. So I will release it in the next video as part 2 video. Before ending the video, I wanted to share one more tip with you people. Most of the time, many people have the habit of cleaning all the boxes in one day, whether the boxes are made up of plastic or glass or steel. But in this process, we get tired. Though you have the help of your maid, it is difficult for them and it is difficult for us also. So, when the item in the container has finished, immediately put the container to the wash or wash it yourself, dry it and then fill it with fresh item. As all the items will not finish at once in kitchen, it is easy to wash 1 or 2 containers in a day, and we can also maintain the boxes neatly in the kitchen. Hope you liked today's video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press bell notification which gives you all the updates of whatever I post on YouTube. So see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.